this is Chantel WTI. I was in need of some new kitchen storage bowls and I am loving this 3-piece set by Bremel. I usually always make a salad when we have guests for dinner, so the large bowl is perfect for salads. And I love that it has a lid so that I can just put it in the fridge and pull it out when I'm ready for it. I love the bamboo lids and how snugly they fit onto the bowls. The bowls are made with a nice thick plastic that is microwave and dishwasher safe, which is great. My favorite thing about this 3-piece set is that the bowls and lids stack into each other, which is such a space saver. I've been using these bowls for about a month now and they are very durable and go so well in my kitchen. They are great for leftovers, popcorn bowls, and we've even used the smallest one for soup. Another great thing about the lids is that they don't soak in the smell of the food. I used one to store cooked shrimp and I was pleasantly surprised when I took a whiff of the lid when I opened it and it didn't smell. I definitely recommend purchasing this set, but that's just my point of view.